What's up, guys? It's your boy Zane, and it's been like a month. No, it's been 2 months since I've had my motorcycle. I'm just gonna do a little cold start and tell you how my motorcycle is doing or how it's not doing. So, alrighty, well, this is her. Nothing's really changed that much. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Okay, we'll just do it. I always do it twice for the morning. And I give her some throttle. Oh, pretty birdie. Oh, she's not in neutral. Alright, there we go. And fire. Fire up, baby. Yeah, smoking mustard. Well, that is her for you. So, when I first got the bike, she needed brake pads in the rear. She still needs a rotor, chain sprockets, front forks being rebuilt. What else? They did the forks, chain, and sprockets, the rear brake pads, and that's all they did. So that was about $490. I'll just say $480. To get all that stuff done. She overheated, and that's because her fan had broken. You're gonna ask me, whoa, where's the fan? The fan's right there, bitch. So, here's the deal. She needs a new hamster wheel for the fan. The fan motor is perfectly fine. It's not seized up or anything. The hamster wheel is just totally bent out of shape. I took a hair gun and heated it up. It really didn't do much, so that's that. Hey, sissy! What, did my motorcycle scare you? Yeah, my motorcycle scared you? I'm sorry. So, she needs a new hamster wheel. Don't have the money. She needs a new brake rotor in the rear. Don't have the money. The turning signals and the speed, the RPM, the gas level, what gear you are, well, a neutral light comes on when you're in neutral. None of that stuff works. So that's that. The bike was in the shop for a month and it sucked, but it is what it is. And now I'm thinking about, ooh, damn, she's hot. Ooh. Hey, buddy, bud. Come on, let's go outside. Buddy, go outside. Go on, you got your coat on. It rained last night, so. Susie! Sasa! Alright, go outside if you want to. You don't have to. So that's that. I have my baby, my poor baby. She's been through hell. My childhood, I was neglected, I would say, and I feel for her because she's basically been neglected her entire life. The owners took her all apart, damaged the tank, crashed her, probably didn't keep up all the maintenance and all that shit, and I just feel sorry for her because she's been neglected like how I've been neglected. So I love her. I'm talking to her, or I'm talking about her as if she's a human being. But for your first motorcycle that you put all your money into, and you put about 2,000 miles on it in about a full month riding together, you just get used to the bike, you get to know it, and you just love it, and you want to take care of it. I've gone through the twisties up in Jerome. That was last week, and that's probably why my fan broke. What happened is that there was... Well, here, I'll just play the clip. Okay, found my problem. First off, the rocks. All that dirt in there. Secondly, it was that little big motherfucker. Or mother peeper. Whatever. And for the main issue, look at this. Oh. Hold on. You ready? Yeah, that could totally be my issue. Looks like the fan is toast. So yeah, that's what happened. So there was a lot of dirt in the air, construction and whatnot. But that's that. I'm thinking about selling her, getting as much as I can. I have her on Craigslist and Facebook through the marketplace. And we'll see how it goes. If I can get at least 3,000 out of her, then why don't you go down to Phoenix and buy an FZ that has... You were looking for your ball? I want to buy an FZ that's not been torn apart and has all of their... Oh my gosh. That has all of its, fairings and wires and the turn signals and speed and RPMs and freaking your gas mileage, how full or empty your tank is. They're about $2,500. And, here's some pictures of the ad. It's a really nice ad, and it's beautiful. It may be red and not blue, but at the same time, she's going to be extremely reliable, and that's that. So anyways, that's all I can say for this video. I gotta leave enough storage for editing and downloading the video to my iPad. So, the final results. So I hope you enjoyed, and now you know how my life's been. Well, for the last 2 months, I'd say. So, peace.